In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Reports item on the Hitters and Pitchers tab in the Boxscore League portal page. When you log in and go to either the Hitters or Pitchers tab, you'll notice a new item on the screen labeled Reports. There are 4 basic reports that are available to you each time you log in. There's the primary report that shows all hitters for 2013, the available hitters report that shows you all hitters who have not been bid on. The hitters bid on are all players who have received at least one bid, and the own hitters are all players who were bid on and won, either in the round where they first became available or the carryover round. Let's go over customizing one of these reports and then saving it for a future session. The scenario that I'm going to use here is I'd like to look for all outfielders who are available in the 4th or later round. To do this, I want to create a filter. I'll click on the Actions button, select Filter, and then you'll notice in the upper region I have an area here where I can select the position field, and my operator, in this particular case, I'm going to select In. The reason I select In is because In allows me to select several values. In the case of an outfielder, there are a number of players who qualify at not just one position, but several. So to select all outfielders regardless of position, I need to find all multiple positions that are available. To do this, I will select this little down arrow here, and it will show me all of the positions. So I'll go through here and click on all of the positions that have outfielder listed. As I do that, you'll notice in the expression field, it adds each one of those positions separated with a comma. Once I've selected all the fields, I click on the Apply button, and you'll notice now that my screen only contains players that have an outfielder in their position. The second criteria that I wanted to filter on are all players who are available in the 4th or later round. Again, I'll go to Filter, and this time I will select the field round. I will select the operator greater than or equal to, and I'll put in the round of 4. I'll apply, and now you'll notice that in the round column, I only have players who are available in the 4th or later round. I can further customize this report to essentially show the better players at the top. For this particular case, I'll consider better players to be sorted by the highest WPP column. So to do that, I will click on the WPP column, and I will select this down arrow, which means sort descending. So it'll be the highest to the lowest. So now I can see the available players ranked from highest to lowest, and for only outfielders. Now to save this report, I'll go back to the Actions button, click it, and then from the menu that drops down, click on Save Report. This will give me the opportunity to give the report a name. I can give it an available description. And then save it. Now, what you'll notice if you go back to the reports, that I now have a private report. And the one there indicates that it is the first report that I have. If I were to create a second report, it would be preceded with a 2 and then the report name. Now, one thing to keep in mind, the private reports differ from the default reports in that the private reports are specific to a user. So if you save a private report, it will only be available to you. And also keep in mind that if you make a change to one of the default reports, that those changes will be lost unless you save it to a private report. The default reports will remain the same each time you log in. They're the same for all Boxscore owners. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will continue to create additional videos to show you some of the features that are available in the Actions button and search box.